Good morning guys, good morning, good ride lovers. Sunday it is, and it is sunny, but it is sunny only for like a second because there is a lot of clouds today. Oh, hey doggy. There is a lot of clouds today. The forecast says that it's going to be sunny in about 2 hours from now. So let's hope for that. I am not going to stay at home today. Why is that? Because I got up and I did a little bit of video editing already. So literally right now, a new episode of vlog is loading to YouTube, which because of my sucking internet connection doesn't go too fast. And also I switched to a new video editing studio, which was the KDN Live before, and now it is DaVinci 18 Resolve something. So I'm testing that. I've already noticed that when you output a video it's much heavier, but doesn't matter. This is not what I wanted to talk about. So I'm heading for a fuel station right now. So let's make sure that we have enough fuel for today's riding. And what I'm doing, because my older daughter is at her grandmother's and my younger daughter is at the stable with my wife riding horses, so this is something they love to do, I have a free day for myself. So I'm not gonna stay at home. I have heard that there is a food truck festival in Poznań, so I'm going there. Why not? Let's get those Belgian fries and maybe, I don't know, some Mexican food, because I like Mexican food. Why not? But before that I need to catch some fuel, right? So yeah, let's go and get some fuel. There should be a red light. Let's stop at this red light. Yeah. I don't know how you guys, but the purpose of this channel was to actually show that you don't have to stay at home and look at the screens and spend time on your couch. You should get out, and this is what I'm doing right now. I'm showing you that it's possible to actually get out of house, and it doesn't matter if you have a car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, or a skateboard. God damn it, skateboard, excellent thing. I never learned to properly ride a skateboard. I can a little, but not too much. Anyway, grab anything on wheels and get the hell out of the house right now. That is the purpose of what I'm showing to you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to spend time outside of home, even though it looks like it's going to rain. But here's the fuel station. Let me go and grab some fuel. Yep, just a second. So the fuel is full, the tank is full. We are on a purpose. I'm actually using those small side roads, not to go by big roads, because it's quite boring to go straight, and I don't want you to fall asleep while watching that. That's not the purpose of a vlog, to go asleep. So yeah, we are almost at the stadium. And why at the stadium? That's because there is the food truck festival, and There's also one more thing, a flea market quite close to this place, and I'm thinking if we can also visit it, but maybe after the food truck. Let's start with the food truck. I would actually love some hot tea because it's quite cold today. So we are almost there. Well, I guess let me wrap up the time a little bit. No! Guys, the food trucks are here, but they're all closed. Which I guess suggests that it opens at some other hour, like in maybe, I don't know, at 12 or something like that. I was hoping that it's gonna be open till straight in the morning, but it's not. That's a pity. Okay, let me check what is in there. And then maybe we'll go straight to the flea market, which is only like a couple of meters away. Now the flea market should be somewhere here, and it doesn't look like it. But let me search for it. Let me see, where is it? Or maybe it's the other direction. I will check the map in a second, but let's go straight and see where it can be. Where was it? Where was it? It was on Facebook, right? Oh, that's an interesting thing. Can you see that? Exactly 11 years ago, I did that picture. Why doesn't it flip? Can it flip? No, it can't flip. This picture of my Yamaha XS400, and there's an episode when I'm going to show you about it. This is actually the reason why I love this kind of motorcycles. Twin cylinder, 4-stroke, not too big of an engine, 400cc, and now I have the 650, and actually this Royal Enfield is the closest thing you can get to this Yamaha XS400, but it's new, right? I love that motorcycle. It's actually right now it's for sale, but the guy who bought it from me like 10 years ago, well, he didn't treat it too well, and it doesn't look good anymore. Yeah, there's the flea market. Okay, so it's somewhere here. It's the same street, Babi Mojska. Let me try to navigate there. Let me wrap up this searching. This should be somewhere here, and I have no idea where. Oh yeah, here on the left. Yeah, it is. Not too many people. What the hell is this place? Anyway, we just park here.
Yeah. So the event on the Facebook clearly said that this is inside the bunker. And I kind of did expect something like that. But the sign says flea market is downstairs. So I'm going in. And this is a infantry and anti-aircraft bunker. So what I expected inside was actually being smelly and very moisture, even maybe wet. What hit me the most was the scent, which was actually very pleasant. You could smell oranges, lavender, and all sorts of nice smells that you would like to have in your home. Clearly, it was because one of the girls inside was selling soy wax in the form of art that you can melt above your candle and it will smell nice. So this actually did a great job in there. In addition to that, they were selling handcrafted gypsum and polymer plates, or maybe some kind of, thing that you will put on a table and it will look nice, and you can throw in a bunch of candies in there and kids will be happy. And also handmade bunnies, because the Easter is coming, and other things like keychains made out of materials that look nice, like cats and dogs and hamburgers and cactus. Visiting this place brings me to a conclusion that if you want to organize your time, your weekend perhaps, it is actually a great place to start with Facebook events. I do that. I actually spend a couple of hours weekly searching for interesting event in my town, in my surrounding, right? Everywhere I can get on my motorcycle. So yeah, do that. Spend time. Check your Facebook, check the local events, and check what is happening not in a month or two. Check what is happening this week. That really, really will help you organize your weekend. Time to move on. Let's get out and back on a motorcycle.
And because it's getting cold, and inside the bunker it was freaking cold, and my friend lives nearby, I'm going to visit him. He already confirmed that he's at home, so I'm going to have myself a big jar of nice hot tea. Oh, I can see a lot change here. Wow, that looks nice. But let's go. I got cold. Oh. So again, I'm going to pass by the food truck festival and see if there's anything opening there already. I haven't checked what is the opening time, but I guess it's gonna be something around 12, and it's only 11 right now. Okay guys, so time traveling now. Engage.
After having a big cup of hot tea with honey and exchanging all the new information about our cars and talking about little things and big things and travel plans to Italy, yep, it's time to move on. The visit at Maciej's place took me over an hour. It rained in the meantime, but now it's not that bad. It's still raining, but a little. So, as we say in Poland, it's an art to do it in 3 tries. So, yeah, let's go and see if the food truck festival is open.
Tylko nie urywajcie nic. Kocham cię. Hey guys, back to English. That was my daughter and her cousin. I'm going home. Amazing day today. I am having so much fun. As you've seen, I've spent last 6 hours on a motorcycle, not riding all the time, visiting friends, places, eating, having fun, talking to family. This is actually a way of living that I am into, and I for sure suggest that you should also try to live like this. Spend time outside, find yourself a way of spending time that really turns you, and then just do it. Focus on doing it. Never mind anything else, just do it. I'm going back home. I still have a lot of battery, so maybe I'll use this time and prepare material for another vlog and talk about something interesting. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you on the road. Have a great day, guys.